Have you ever felt your knees ache the moment you stand after sitting for a while? Or noticed every step feels heavier and your legs don't hold the same strength they once did? After turning 60, this isn't just discomfort. Weak legs and sore knees can slowly steal your freedom and make you fear falling. But here's the positive part. You don't need a gym, fancy tools, or complicated workouts. With just a single chair and the right movements, you can relieve knee pain, rebuild strength, and move confidently again. In this video, I'm going to guide you through 6 gentle chair exercises made especially for people over 60. These will protect your knees, rebuild strength, and bring back freedom in your movement. Let's start with the first one, the seated knee extension. To perform it, all you need is a sturdy chair. Sit upright, place your feet on the floor, and slowly extend one leg straight ahead until your knee locks out. Gently pull your toes toward you. Hold the position for 5 seconds, then lower slowly before switching to the other leg. Aim for 10 reps per side. Rest briefly, then repeat 2-3 rounds. It might seem simple, but this move targets your quadriceps, the large muscles in the front of your thighs. As these muscles strengthen, they absorb more pressure from your knees, easing pain and improving stability with every step. If you're new here, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share it with someone who will benefit. It really helps us a lot. The secret here is slow control. If you rush, the muscles don't activate fully. Keep your back tall, your core slightly tight, and imagine your leg moving through thick water. Smooth, steady, and deliberate. With practice, you'll feel a gentle burn. Proof your muscles are reawakening. You're retraining your thighs to support and protect your knees, restoring power one lift at a time. Now let's move to the second exercise, the Soleus Push-Up. Stay seated with both feet planted. Slowly raise your heels until you're on the balls of your feet. Hold briefly, then lower gently. Do 15-20 reps. Rest 30 seconds, then repeat 2-3 sets. Though it looks tiny, this move activates your soleus, a deep calf muscle essential for balance and circulation. Strong calves ease pressure off the knees, reduce fatigue, and keep your legs energized all day. The key is control. Avoid bouncing or using momentum. Pause at the top, then lower slowly, resisting gravity. Keep your posture tall without leaning forward or back. Over time, this strengthens your calves, supports your knees, and boosts blood flow. It's not just lifting heels. It's training your calves to share the load and keep you stable. The third movement is the pillow squeeze. You'll need a small cushion or pillow. Sit tall on your chair with both feet flat. Place the pillow between your knees and gently squeeze them together. Hold for 5 seconds, then release slowly. Repeat 10 times, resting briefly between 2-3 sets. This targets your inner thighs, vital muscles for knee stability. As they strengthen, knee stress drops, and everyday movements like walking or climbing stairs feel easier. Avoid quick presses and releases. Focus on steady pressure. Squeeze, hold, and release with control. Keep your posture tall, shoulders loose, and core engaged. You'll feel a firm activation inside your thighs. Proof those stabilizers are working hard to protect your knees and balance your steps. Next is the seated high knee. Sit upright, hands by your sides, and lift one knee as high as you comfortably can. Hold briefly, then lower and switch legs. Do 10-15 lifts per leg. Rest briefly and repeat 2-3 sets. This exercise strengthens your hips, thighs, and core together. By building these muscles, you'll find stepping onto curbs or climbing stairs easier and safer. Don't lean backward while lifting. It weakens the effort and strains your back. Keep your body slightly forward, your core tight, and your feet landing softly, as if in slow motion. With time, you'll notice improved hip mobility, stronger legs, and better balance. This is more than lifting knees. It's training your body to move confidently every day. Now for the fifth, the sit to stand. Keep your chair steady, maybe against a wall for safety. Sit near the edge with feet hip-width apart. Cross your arms or use the chair lightly if needed. Press your feet into the ground, rise up, then lower slowly back down. Do 8-12 reps, rest 30 seconds, and repeat 2-3 rounds. This is one of the best functional strength builders, mimicking real movement. It strengthens thighs, hips, and glutes while improving balance and coordination. Stronger legs means smoother, safer movement, and greater independence. Don't drop into the chair too fast. Control your descent. And try not to push too much with your arms. Let your legs handle the work. Soon standing up will feel effortless. This is not just an exercise. It's teaching your legs to carry you powerfully every time you rise. Finally, the sixth move, the seated hamstring stretch. Sit at the edge of your chair. Stretch one leg forward with your heel on the floor. Keep the other foot under you. With your back tall, hinge forward from your hips until you feel a stretch in the back of your thigh. Hold 15-20 seconds, then return upright. Switch sides and repeat 3 times per leg. This stretch lengthens your hamstrings. Tight hamstrings are often behind knee stiffness and pain. By loosening them, you relieve knee pressure, boost flexibility, and make movement easier. Avoid rounding your back. Instead, keep your chest lifted and hinge from your hips. Don't bounce or force the stretch. Ease into it gently and hold steadily. Done regularly, this stretch lightens your legs and restores smooth, easy motion. It's not just about flexibility. It's giving your knees the freedom to move naturally again. These 6 chair exercises may appear simple, but together they form a powerful routine that protects your knees, builds strength, and restores confidence in movement. Practice consistently, and you'll feel less stiffness, better balance, and more control in every step. A few minutes daily can make a lasting difference for your knees and independence. If this routine helped you, give it a like and share it with someone who needs it. Don't forget to subscribe for more senior fitness tips that keep you strong after 60. And most importantly, tell me in the comments where you're watching from and how your knees feel after trying these. Your feedback might motivate someone else to begin their journey toward pain-free, stronger legs. And before you go, if you're new here, hit like, comment, share, and subscribe right now to stay part of our growing healthy senior community.